Alright guys, so I'm working on my car. This is a 2006 Suzuki Forenza, and I'm showing where the for anybody there, because I haven't seen no video of this, of the brake switch right there. So what's happening is I'm going down the road. What I did kind of just for right now is, you see the little thing right there. I opened it a little, so now when the new one, since I already got the new one, I'm like close it down a little bit. So yeah, so what's happening is it wasn't touching. So when I opened it, now it's touching. Yeah, so to take it off, you do a 90 degrees up like that, and then pops right up, and that's it. And then this clip right here, you can just push it, it'll stay down, and you just pull it right out. Yeah, alright, like that. So this is it, and yeah. So I'll see you back inside with the new part and see what happened. Alright.